or motor oil. So they thought hard enough ahead to make at least those two elements very easy. The engine cooling fans, they're called a purge fan for the engine compartment. So when the engine compartment gets too high a temperature, these come on. Intended purposeless. I was amazed how many people that were at the debut had orders. They had PDBC. Now, this is what you have to do just to get to the air filter.
So this whole back end gets removed to get to these air filters to be changed when required. Back end came off pretty easily, as you saw. Very interesting stuff. Alright, now we've got the spoiler out of the way, we can start to see some of the top side of the engine.
To change the air filter, you have to pull this out also. This piece would have to come out so you can access that.
There goes the air filter assembly.
So there's the sound symposer.
Right.
So that's basically coming in just outside the throttle plate. So you're going to get all the valve train noise conducted through this. It's actually made in a shape that actually modifies the sound, and there's a diaphragm in there, so there's no chance for any vapors or smells or anything like that. So
yeah.
It's isolated, but it conducts the sound. They've had this for years, where they put little membranes on the air boxes that only allow sound to come out. They're airtight, so air can't leak in, so all the air is still filtered, but it does allow the sound of the intake system to come out, so you hear the sounds that people want to hear.
All right, now we're opened up and it's got a pretty good view.
I don't know.
Alright, so Ron's now taking off the two side covers, giving us greater visibility into the engine compartment. It's like peeling an onion. Ah, yeah.
Electrical power and vacuum control going to it that allows to shut off completely the cooling system, part of the cooling system circuit.